Hello and welcome to my review of Glamoriser Black Edition. So we have it here. As you see, it looks quite sexy. Glamoriser after. You see it has two nozzles. When I dry my hair, usually I use this one. I don't know what you're supposed to do with it. Maybe just massage your scalp. If you know that, tell me in the comments. It has two intensity settings at the bottom. Well, I never use first one because for me it's too weak. I always use second one. It has three heat settings. So talking about the heat settings, I use them all. This hairdryer has AC motor. After finishing your hair, you will feel that corpus is warm, but it's not hot. What I mean by that? Before this hairdryer, I had hairdryer with DC motor, and after finishing drying my hair, if I put hand on it, it will be hot. Also, it is said that hairdryers with AC motors will serve you longer. Well, we will see about that. Cold bite. So, as I said, no matter what setting you're using, if you press that one, the cold air will blow from here. But you need to keep it pressed all the time. So you can imagine, if you release it, it's gone. Or you need to change your hand. Another thing, it weighs about 800 grams, and I feel that way. I think that's mainly because my previous hairdryer weighed less. And I think that 800 grams for hairdryer, it might be a bit too much for some people. It has one cable. So after finishing drying your hair, you can attach somewhere in the room and use it as a laundry cable. And as always, thank you for watching. And as always, thank you for watching.